Pat's been around in the South Tampa area now for over 30 years. He started off doing gutters. Ever since that, it expanded from cleaning gutters to installing gutters to anything pretty much water related from the roof down. He adds his personal touch to it. He makes sure that the customer's completely satisfied before anything. Pretty much tries to be a one-stop shop for any of their needs, and customers really appreciate that.
The crew is phenomenal. If they have to attach a new gutter, to extend a gutter, they actually ask if there's house paint, and they'll paint your gutter for you before they put the new gutter up if it doesn't match the home. This is incredible service. I have not worked with another company that does that.
He has the Bible verse on the sleeves, and the verse, just paraphrased, is Abraham believed God, and it was counted to him unto righteousness. And the whole thought process behind that is kind of telling us, always do the right thing, have integrity when you're doing it. And it's funny, put it on the sleeve so that when we wipe our heads on the sleeve, you see it, and you kind of remind yourself to keep that thought in mind.
3 months I had squirrels living in my attic, and I was out of my mind with trying to figure out how they're getting in the house, and we couldn't figure it out. And Pat came to do his regular cleaning for the gutters, and he's like, "Deborah, how are you?" And I'm like, "I'm not doing so good. I can't sleep. I'm up every day at 4:30. I can hear them scratching. They drive me crazy." And within 5 minutes, he goes, "I know where they're coming from." And I'm like, sure enough, he showed me the flashings weren't glued on any of the overhangs on my townhouse. Not one flashing was glued, and they were coming up crawling right under the flashing. So within an hour, they had all the flashings glued, and I never had squirrels again in my attic. It was a relief to me and my health, because I was able to start sleeping again because Pat saved me. And ever since then, I've had this great relationship with this person. If you have a problem with your gutters or your roof, he is the person to call, without a doubt. Your problem will be saved. You don't need to call him out to come back again. It's taken care of. One-stop shop. I've got mine now. So I'm on my second home, and the first person I called before we even purchased this home was Pat.
Hi folks, it's Pat from Pat the Gutter Rat. We're here to say thank you for 30 plus years of giving us the opportunity to solve your water drainage problems. From one generation to the next,
we keep your water flowing. Give us a call.